Welcome to Force and Pressure Explained in 60 Seconds. Today, we're diving into two fundamental concepts in physics that shape our world. Let's start with force. Simply put, a force is a push or a pull. It's what causes an object to change its motion to start moving, stop, or change direction. Think about kicking a soccer ball, opening a door, or even gravity pulling you towards the earth. These are all examples of force in action. Now, let's move on to pressure. Pressure is related to force, but it also considers the area over which that force is applied. It's defined as the amount of force distributed over a given area. So the same force can create different pressures depending on the size of the area. The formula for pressure is force divided by area. P equals F/A. Why does this matter? Pressure is everywhere in our daily lives and has many real-world applications. It explains why a sharp knife cuts easily, small area, high pressure, or why snowshoes prevent you from sinking in snow, large area, low pressure. Consider high heels versus flat shoes. The heel concentrates your weight onto a tiny spot, creating much higher pressure on the ground. So there you have it. Force and pressure are two fundamental concepts that help us understand how objects interact and how energy is distributed. Force is a push or a pull that causes motion. Understanding them helps us design everything from buildings to tools to comfortable shoes.